Welcome to DSV Travel Trip, your gateway to discovering the world's most fascinating destinations. Today, we're exploring the sun-soaked beauty of Malta, a Mediterranean paradise brimming with history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture. Whether you're a history buff intrigued by ancient civilizations, a beach enthusiast craving crystal-clear waters, or a foodie eager to savor Mediterranean flavors, Malta has something special for you. Before we dive into this adventure, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future travel explorations. Now, let's begin our journey through Malta. Malta is a fascinating archipelago located in the heart of the Mediterranean. Despite its small size, this island nation punches well above its weight when it comes to attractions and activities. Positioned about 93 kilometers south of Sicily and roughly 300 kilometers north of Libya, Malta enjoys a strategic location that has made it a crossroads of civilizations for thousands of years. It's made up of three main islands: Malta, the largest and most developed; Gozo, a quieter and more rural retreat; and Comino, a tiny island known for its natural beauty and tranquility. Despite its compact size of just 316 square kilometers, Malta boasts an incredible variety of landscapes. You'll find golden beaches with crystal-clear waters, dramatic cliffs plunging into the sea, and rolling fields dotted with traditional stone walls. Malta truly is a treasure trove of natural beauty and diverse scenery. A small island with a big heart. With a population of just over its capital city, Valletta is one of the smallest capitals in Europe. Yet it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site filled with historical wonders, cultural gems, and breathtaking architecture. 500,000, Malta is one of Europe's smallest countries, but don't let its size fool you. It's also one of the most densely populated nations in the world, with bustling towns and villages nestled close together. Language is no barrier here. Malta has two official languages: Maltese, a unique language derived from Arabic with Italian and other European influences, and English, a legacy of its time as a British colony. This makes Malta an especially welcoming destination for English-speaking travelers. Malta's history stretches back over 7,000 years, making it one of the most historically rich countries in the world. From Neolithic temples, older than the pyramids, to Roman ruins, medieval fortifications, and World War II bunkers, the layers of history here are truly remarkable. One of the most significant chapters in Malta's history began in 1530, when the Knights of St. John, also known as the Knights Hospitaller, were granted the islands by Charles V of Spain. These knights transformed Malta into a stronghold of defense and culture, leaving behind iconic landmarks such as St. John's Co-Cathedral in Valletta and the fortified city itself. During World War II, Malta's strategic location made it a key target for Axis forces. The island endured relentless bombing, but the resilience of its people earned Malta the George Cross for bravery, a symbol that still appears on its flag today. Let's start our journey in Valletta, Malta's stunning capital. Established in 1566 after the Great Siege of 1565, Valletta was named after Jean Parisot de Valette, the Grand Master of the Knights of St. John, who played a pivotal role in defending the island. Valletta was one of Europe's first planned cities, laid out in a neat grid system. It's surrounded by massive bastions and walls, making it as much a fortress as it is a cultural and administrative hub. Some must-visit spots in Valletta include St. John's Co-Cathedral. At first glance, the cathedral's modest exterior might seem underwhelming, but step inside, and you'll find one of the most opulent interiors in all of Europe. Built by the Knights of St. John between 1572 and 1577, the cathedral is a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. The interior is adorned with intricate carvings, gilded walls, and marble tombstones of knights, each with unique inlaid designs. A highlight of your visit is undoubtedly the famous painting by Caravaggio, The Beheading of St. John the Baptist. This large, dramatic canvas, created during the artist's time in Malta, is considered one of his greatest works. The oratory, where the painting is housed, has a hushed reverence that makes the viewing experience truly unforgettable. Perched high above the Grand Harbor, the Upper Baracca Gardens offer one of the best panoramic views in Malta. From this serene spot, you can gaze over the historic three cities, Birg, Sanglea, and Cospicua, as well as the bustling harbor filled with colorful fishing boats and modern yachts. The gardens are more than just a pretty view, they're a historic site in their own right. Built in the 16th century as a private space for the Knights of St. John, they're now open to the public. Be sure to catch the Saluting Battery, a ceremonial cannon firing event that takes place daily, recreating a centuries-old tradition. The National Museum of Archaeology, located within the Auberge de Provence, one of Valletta's grand 16th century buildings, this museum is a gateway to Malta's prehistoric past. Among its many fascinating exhibits, the Sleeping Lady statue, a Neolithic artifact, stands out as a symbol of Malta's ancient culture. Other notable items include pottery, tools, and other remnants from the Gantia temples and other megalithic sites. The museum does an excellent job of bringing Malta's prehistoric civilizations to life, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts. Leaving Valletta, we head to Medina, a fortified hilltop town often called the Silent City. Walking through its narrow streets feels like stepping back in time. Medina's charm lies in its quiet, car-free atmosphere and its beautifully preserved medieval and Baroque architecture. Originally founded by the Phoenicians, Medina was fortified during the Arab period in the 9th century and served as Malta's capital until the 16th century. Today, it's a peaceful retreat for history lovers. St. Paul's Cathedral. This magnificent cathedral, dedicated to Malta's patron saint, is a true masterpiece of Baroque design. Constructed in the late 17th century, the cathedral boasts an impressive dome, intricate frescoes, and stunning marble floors. Its interior is adorned with silver and gold accents, making it a place of spiritual and artistic inspiration. The cathedral is also home to a museum that houses a rich collection of religious art, manuscripts, and historic treasures. Visitors can learn more about the cathedral's significance and the legacy of St. Paul's influence on Malta. For those interested in exploring the darker side of Malta's history, the Medina dungeons offer a chilling glimpse into the past. This underground network of tunnels and chambers was once used as a prison and torture site during various periods of Malta's history. Interactive exhibits and lifelike mannequins depict the harsh conditions endured by prisoners and the methods of punishment used in medieval times. It's both an eerie and educational experience that adds depth to your understanding of Medina's history. As you wander through Medina's labyrinthine streets, you'll eventually find yourself in Bastion Square, a scenic lookout point offering sweeping views of the Maltese countryside. The vista stretches out over rolling hills, villages, and the coastline in the distance. This is the perfect spot to pause, take in the beauty of the island, and snap some unforgettable photos. Whether at sunrise or sunset, Bastion Square captures the timeless charm of Malta. Unlike Medina, Rabat buzzes with everyday life, making it the perfect place to enjoy authentic Maltese culture and cuisine. Top attractions of Gozo. The island of Gozo is a quieter, greener counterpart to Malta, offering a blend of history, natural beauty, and mythological intrigue. The Gantia Temples, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Gantia Temples are among the oldest freestanding structures in the world, predating even the Egyptian pyramids. Built around 3600 BC, these megalithic temples were dedicated to a fertility goddess and are shrouded in mystery. Walking through the site, you'll marvel at the sheer size of the stone blocks used in their construction. Despite their age, the temples are remarkably well preserved, giving visitors a tangible connection to Malta's prehistoric past. The bustling town of Victoria, also known as Rabat, is the heart of Gozo. Its crown jewel is the citadel, a fortified city that has served as a refuge for Gozotans throughout history. As you explore the citadel, you'll find narrow streets, charming cafes, and historic buildings. The Cathedral of the Assumption, located at the heart of the citadel, features a striking dome illusion painted on its ceiling. Climb to the citadel's walls for unparalleled views of Gozo's countryside and coastline. Ramla Bay, this stunning beach, with its unique reddish-golden sand, is one of Gozo's most iconic natural attractions. Ramla Bay is ideal for swimming, sunbathing, or simply relaxing in a serene setting. According to legend, nearby Calypso's cave is where the nymph Calypso kept Odysseus captive in Homer's Odyssey. While the cave is currently closed to visitors, the area still exudes a sense of mythological wonder. For those seeking solitude and natural beauty, Comino is a must-visit. This tiny island is home to the Blue Lagoon, a paradise of turquoise waters perfect for swimming, snorkeling, or simply relaxing. Comino is largely uninhabited, making it a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of mode. No trip to Malta is complete without indulging in its delicious cuisine. From flaky pastizzi to hearty fennek, rabbit stew, and sweet imkaret, date pastries, Maltese food is a delightful fusion of Mediterranean flavors. Pair your meal with a glass of Maltese wine or the refreshing local beer Sisk. Malta's hidden gems. While the major landmarks often steal the spotlight, Malta is full of lesser-known treasures waiting to be discovered. Marsaxlokk. This charming fishing village on Malta's southeastern coast is known for its luzus, traditional Maltese fishing boats painted in bright colors and adorned with the Eye of Osiris for protection. The Sunday fish market is a must-visit, offering a variety of freshly caught seafood and local delicacies. Stroll along the waterfront, enjoy a seafood lunch, and soak in the authentic atmosphere of this picturesque village. A visit to the Blue Grotto is like stepping into another world. This network of sea caves, located on the southern coast of Malta, is famous for its vivid blue waters, which shimmer under the sunlight. Take a boat tour to explore the grotto up close, and don't forget your camera. This is one of the most photogenic spots in Malta. Snorkeling and diving are also popular here, thanks to the clear waters and diverse marine life. If you're a beach lover, these two adjacent bays on Malta's western coast are a dream come true. Golden Bay is perfect for families, with soft sand and calm waters, while Gaziantep offers a more secluded experience, reachable by a flight of stone steps. Hike along the surrounding cliffs for breathtaking views, especially at sunset. These beaches are a great place to unwind and enjoy Malta's natural beauty. Popeye Village. Originally built as the set for the 1980 movie Poppy starring Robin Williams, this quirky attraction has been transformed into a family-friendly theme park. Visitors can wander through the colorful wooden buildings, enjoy live shows, and even take a dip in the adjacent bay. It's a fun and whimsical experience that offers something for visitors of all ages. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Malta. With its rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture, Malta truly offers something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to DSV Travel Trip, and let us know in the comments which Maltese destination you'd like to visit. Until next time, keep exploring the world, one incredible destination at a time. See you soon!